Holy cow, guys, here we are, Rocco, walking towards the waterfall. Here near Lake Hodges. After the rain, it's really flowing.
Dad, can you put this on YouTube?
Sure. Look at that. So beautiful. I kind of want to go in there and splash around my hair. It's like a paradise.
Dad, you have to say it then.
What?
Bye, Rocco fan.
Rocco, we've been to the waterfall about 3 or 4 times. Is this the... How does it look compared to the other times? Huh? How does it look now compared to the other times?
More water and more bigger.
Yeah. It's like a real waterfall now, huh? Yeah. Should we try and sneak in there and go inside the water?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
But it says keep out.
This is a fishing boat. Dad, there's a fishing boat.
Rocco, turn around. We'll move over a little bit. Over here. Take a picture. Smile. Smile. I can't see your face because of the hat.